suppose sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree, and we will prove it in the form of a theorem. We need to prove sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose we have a triangle A, B, C, and we will prove that these are the interior angles of the triangle. We will prove that sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now what is given? We are given a triangle ABC. We need to prove. We will write to prove. We need to prove sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Suppose this one is angle 1, then angle 2, then angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. In order to prove the same result, firstly we will draw a construction here. Now what is construction? Suppose we draw a line, this one, through A, we draw a line, let it be DE parallel to BC. We will write through A, draw DE parallel to BC. Now suppose this one is angle 4, this one is angle 5. How to prove the result? This one will come under proof. We need to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Since DE is parallel to BC, like this, suppose this one is DE, this one is BC, and this one is the transversal, like this. This one is the transversal. Since these two lines are parallel, it means these two angles, angle 4, angle 2. These are alternate interior angles, and when two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are always equal. In the same way, if these two lines are parallel and this one is a transversal, we can say like this. This one is a transversal, these two lines are parallel, then these two angles, that is angle 5 and angle 3. These are also alternate interior angles, so these are equal. Now, this one is a line, suppose DE line, and this angle. This complete angle is 180 degree. We say this one is a straight angle. Now this angle is divided into three parts like this. Angle 4, angle 1, angle 5. Now angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, this one will be the straight angle. So we can say angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. We will start from, since DE is parallel to BC, since DE is parallel to BC, we can say angle 4 equals to angle 2 and angle 5 equals to angle 3. These are alternate interior angles. We can write like this. Now suppose this one is equation 1, this one is equation 2. Now angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, this one is angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degree. We can say straight angle. Then angle 4 equals to angle 2. From equation 1, we can replace angle 4 by angle 2 plus angle 1 will remain the same. Angle 5 equals to angle 3. From equation 2, we will replace angle 5 with angle 3 and the result is angle 2 plus angle 1 equals to angle plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. We can mention the reason using equation 1 and equation 2. We can also write it as angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3. We can write it as angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. So this one was the result. Now this one is angle sum property of the triangle. That sum of all the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. We will prove another result here. We have a property related to the triangle. The property is called exterior angle property of a triangle. We will prove the same property in the form of a theorem. The property is exterior angle property of a triangle. Suppose we have a triangle A, B, C. Now what is given? We are given a triangle ABC and exterior angle means suppose side BC is produced to point D, then this angle outside the triangle which is formed on a side which is produced, this angle is called exterior angle. Suppose this one is angle 1, then angle 2, then angle 3 and this one is angle 4. Angle 4 is called exterior angle of the triangle. We are given a triangle ABC in which this side BC is produced to point B. We need to prove this one is exterior angle, that is angle 4. The property is exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. This one is exterior angle and angle 3 is forming a linear pair with the angle 4. So this one is not interior opposite angle. Rest of the two angles are interior opposite angles of the triangle. मैं एक बार फिर clear कर दूं. Angle 4 और angle 3, these are on the same straight line with the common point. This one is the common point. So angle 3 जो है वो इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स में नहीं आएगा. एंगल 3 के बाद जो दो एंगल्स बच जाएंगे, these are interior opposite angles of the triangle. So according to the theorem, angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. This one is the result we need to prove here. We know angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. We can mention the reason angle sum property of a triangle. This one is the angle sum property, that sum of the interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Then angle 3 and angle 4. Suppose this one is angle 3, this one is angle 4. Both the angles are on the same straight line with the same point, that is having a common point, common vertex. So we can say sum of these two angles is 180 degree, which is called linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 2 and the reason is linear pair of angles. Now if we compare both the equations from equation 1 and 2, our right hand sides of both the equations are same, so we can equate left hand sides of the two equations. Left hand side, that is this one, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this one, these two can be equated angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. I repeat, from equation 1 and 2, right hand sides of both the equations are equal, so we can equate left hand sides. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 3 plus 4, these two will be equal. Now angle 3 and angle 3 is on both the sides of the equation, so angle 3 gets cancelled and the result is angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. This one is the property that we had to prove. This one is called exterior angle property of a triangle. Thank you.